Hello, my friends. Today, we will have a colourful and exciting adventure. Come with me to France, a land of brilliant lavender. Are you ready for wonderful experiences exploring the machines that grow and harvest these beautiful flowers? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to continue accompanying me. As you may be aware, France is renowned for its cultivation of lavender, with vast expanses of land dedicated to this aromatic plant, spanning from the south to the north. Lavender flowers are grown for both decorative and culinary purposes, and are the main ingredient in the production of lavender essential oil. French lavender oil is esteemed as one of the finest globally, extensively used in cosmetics, perfumes, and personal care items. Beyond its practical uses, lavender holds a significant place in French culture and the country's natural landscape. The delicate fragrance and stunning hues of lavender flowers evoke feelings of tranquility and serenity, capturing the essence of France's beauty. Behind the vibrant fields of flowers lies the dedicated work of farmers. Would you care to join me in exploring the lives of these individuals and the machinery that contributes to this magnificent landscape? Let's dive into the fascinating world of lavender cultivation. It all starts with the careful selection of seedlings to kick off the growing process. In the fields of Beauce, outstanding planters from Sachets and Magli take center stage, showcasing their precision and efficiency in tillage and planting. As I observed firsthand, these machines are a marvel, meticulously designed to optimize growth and cater to the farmer's needs. With essential components like the planting system, soil cutting system, and soil compaction system, the Sachets and Magli machine ensures accuracy and uniformity throughout the lavender growing process. Once the holes are perfectly positioned and the surface is prepared, the machine seamlessly continues its task by gently compacting the soil around the pits and securely placing the plants. Thanks to its soil compaction system, which applies just the right amount of pressure to promote healthy growth without causing damage, the Sachets and Magli machine streamlines lavender cultivation, saving time and effort for farmers in the expansive Beauce region. It's a game changer for these managing vast tracts of land and multiple crops. Lavender, with its dense canopy and foliage, requires careful management as it matures. Ensuring adequate light and resources for optimal growth becomes paramount. In the later stages of lavender cultivation, when the plants have grown tall and developed a thick canopy, farmers employ a specialized tiller to maintain space between rows. This machine is designed to cut and clear weeds and vegetation, allowing for better airflow and light penetration, and ultimately fostering healthier lavender plants. If you like the sweet scent of lavender flowers, please comment number 1. Our initial action each year is crucial for supplying essential nutrients to support plant growth. The process of applying organic fertilizer begins with a machine loading the fertilizer from storage and distributing it across the field. As the machine traversed the terrain, I couldn't help but notice the newfound vitality and blossoming of the lavender flowers. These organic fertilizers provide valuable nutrients, fostering an optimal environment for plant growth and development. Organic fertilizers are instrumental in nourishing cultivated fields. Rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and assorted minerals, they bolster plant growth and development. This is particularly vital for lavender flowers, as they rely on these nutrients to flourish and yield high-quality essential oils. Come along with me to experience a truly extraordinary event, the lavender harvest. Typically, lavender is harvested approximately 2 to 3 months after the plant starts blooming. Traditionally, this task demanded substantial time and labor. Yet, thanks to modern harvesting machines, the process has been drastically streamlined, reducing the time needed for harvesting. Amidst the picturesque lavender fields of Provence, I stumbled upon a marvel, a homemade 3-row harvester, ingeniously crafted from a Class Dominator combine, its threshing unit replaced with the Galignani baler. Witnessing this innovation in action left me spellbound. The Galignani baler swiftly gathers lavender plants, creating mesmerizing bouquets before my eyes. I was captivated by its smooth, precise operation, meticulously crafting bundles adorned with vibrant purple petals. What a spectacle! This fusion of creativity and engineering represents a groundbreaking leap in the lavender industry. Picture this, my unforgettable visit to a lavender farm on the city's outskirts, where I beheld a lavender harvesting marvel in action. Enter the tractor, meticulously designed to glide through rows of lavender, plucking ripe flowers at the perfect moment. As the machine traversed each row, I marveled at the swift, precise blades swiftly severing the blooms. The air was imbued with the sweet fragrance of lavender, a sensory delight I wish I could share with you. Following the harvest, the flowers were carefully collected and deposited into baskets for transport to the processing site. Despite the machine's clamor and the gentle tug of the lavender petals, it undeniably streamlined the process, saving considerable time and effort compared to manual harvesting. According to the machine operators, this innovation not only slashes labor and time requirements, but also yields a superior quality product compared to hand harvesting methods. Have you ever indulged in the exquisite taste of lavender honey? Lavender honey is truly a treasure among honey, captivating the senses with its unique charm. It emerges from a harmonious partnership between honeybees and lavender, resulting in a honey that boasts a distinct aroma and a remarkable nutritional profile. Let's start with its characteristic aroma, a delightful blend of delicate lavender notes and subtle sweetness. This enchanting fragrance not only enhances the honey's allure, but also imparts a sense of relaxation and comfort, akin to wandering through a fragrant flower garden. Yet what truly intrigues me is lavender honey's exceptional nutritional value. Like all natural honey, it serves as a veritable powerhouse of nutrients. Within lavender honey, we discover an array of essential nutrients, including carbohydrates, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates provide a rich source of energy, bolstering endurance and cognitive function. Enzymes aid in digestion and nutrient absorption, promoting overall bodily efficiency. Meanwhile, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals contribute to maintaining optimal health and bolstering the immune system. The distillation of lavender essential oil at the factory is an intricate and precise industrial procedure, yielding top-tier, dependable products. This meticulous process demands expertise, technical acumen, and cutting-edge equipment to ensure the extraction and purification of lavender essential oil meets the highest standards. Typically, the distillation of lavender essential oil employs the steam method. Here, steam permeates through the lavender layer, carrying the flower's organic compounds. Upon cooling, the steam separates, leaving behind a liquid mixture containing lavender essential oil and water. Through subsequent distillation and refining stages, the pure lavender essential oil is meticulously isolated and extracted. Both factory distillation and manual distillation of lavender offer unique benefits. On one hand, large-scale automated lavender distilleries provide unparalleled performance and precision. Rigorous control over the distillation process ensures consistency and premium quality lavender essential oil. Automation, combined with standardized procedures, enhances production efficiency, catering to diverse market demands. On the other hand, manual distillation imbues lavender essential oil with a distinct charm. Care, meticulousness, and attention to detail impart a unique character to the product. Crafting lavender essential oil by hand requires the craftsperson's ingenuity, dedication, and passion. As a result, handmade lavender essential oil offers its special allure, from its aroma to the quality of the final product.